Okay, my name's Aaron. I found the Forklift Training on Google, just searched it, looking to get certification to secure a job. So far, I've enjoyed the course very much so, very professional, excellent facility, excellent trucks to work on, clean, professional instructors, good emphasis, very thorough when it comes to the information given. Also excellent on the safety part of things, which is very important when it comes to life on the job and working environment. Very much happy with the course. I definitely recommend it to anybody if you're looking to get a forklift operator certification. Excellent course, excellent. Two thumbs up. The facilities, everything. Good job, guys, good job. Thanks again.